Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to begin? Open Genmoji and sign in. First, grant camera and mic permissions so Genmoji can capture face data. This is required for accurate emoji generation. Next, choose a base style or template. Pick realistic or stylized depending on your goal. Tap Create, then allow the app a moment to analyze your face and expression. Once done, you'll move into customization. Make sure you have a clear, well-lit photo, or use the live capture option for best results. Now you refine the generated emoji by adjusting facial markers and fine sliders. Move eye position, mouth curvature, and skin tone until it matches your expression. Use style filters to shift from cartoon to photorealistic and add accessory layers like glasses or hats. Layer order matters, so drag elements to reorder. Preview an animated expression if you want motion, and choose export format. PNG for stills, GIF for loops, or high-quality image for sharing. Make incremental save. Finish by exporting your Genmoji to photos or directly into messages and sticker packs. Choose transparent PNG for overlays and pick the one crop for most apps. When sharing, check resolution and file size, compress if necessary to meet platform limits. If the app crashes or output looks off, restart Genmoji and recheck camera permissions in settings, then recapture in brighter, even lighting. As a key troubleshooting tip, clear cache or reinstall if facial markers fail to detect properly. This usually fixes persistent glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.